Okay, quick question here. Why is it so hard to find a snack that actually hits like a treat, but does not require effort, guys? Because sometimes I want s'mores vibes without fire, bugs, and emotional support. Enter the Frosted S'mores Pop-Tarts. Tell me why this tastes like someone actually understood their assignment. It's chocolatey, marshmallowy, graham cracker vibes, and you don't even have to leave your house, guys. It is so good. And listen, you can eat these straight out of the package. And oh, they're good, guys. Yum. This is my go-to when I want something sweet. But I like them mostly heated up in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Oh, excuse me while I smack. But when I don't want to bake, clean dishes, or pretend I'm just having a bite, it's also one of those snacks that make people go, ooh, you have these? Like, yeah, baby, I got these. If you're still pretending plain snacks are satisfying, I fear you're lying to yourself, guys. Anyway, these won't last long in my house. And that's your warning, I promise. Look, empty box, last one, I got it. Ha ha to whoever was looking for them. But why I mainly love this product, it tastes like s'mores without the mess. Zero prep, zero cleanup, maximum payoff. Toasted equals next level comfort snack. Chocolate and marshmallow combo never misses a spot. Hits late night cravings so perfectly. It's a once you buy it, it's going to be always in your pantry. Y'all, you can't go wrong with these. But you're going to have to get your own because my box is almost empty.